I've already applied conditional formatting to cell B2. If the cell contains the text oil, the cell's formatting is red. To copy the cell's formatting, I select the cell, click Format Painter on the Home tab, and select the cells I want to format. To remove conditional formatting from specific cells, select the cells, click the Quick Analysis button, and click Clear Format. To remove all conditional formatting from the entire worksheet, click the Conditional Formatting button on the Home tab, point to Clear Rules, and click Clear Rules from Entire Sheet. Now you've got a pretty good idea about how to apply conditional formatting.